Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you're going to see one more simple and quick breakfast recipe which is very light and low calorie food. So, let's quickly check out a perfect non-sticky poha recipe. Here is the simple ingredients for making poha. In Telugu, we usually call it as Atukula Upma. These are basic ingredients which are available in everyone's kitchen. So let's quickly start. In a bowl, take 2 glasses of poha, and also add equal quantities of water. For making 2 glasses of poha, I added 2 glasses of water. And let it soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see non-sticky poha. Into a hot pan, add 3 to 4 spoons of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, few black gram which is Urad Dal, and also add 1 dry red chilli, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you like, you can add a pinch of hing and give a quick mix. Now add handful of peanuts and roast it until it is nice golden color. Once it is fried, add a string of curry leaves and also add 3 green chillies thinly sliced and let it fry until it is crisp. Now add 1 onion thinly sliced and let it cook until it is semi-soft. Add a pinch of salt just to cook onions quickly. If you add total salt at this stage, then it may turn into salted onions poha. So always remember to add salt at final stage of poha. Now add soaked poha and give a quick mix. Once everything is well combined, now add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix and let it cook on a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Once it is done, turn off the flame and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Even if you like, you can add a spoon of lemon juice for tangy flavored poha. Our poha is ready to serve. Transfer to a serving plate. Enjoy it while it is hot by serving it with some chutney or even with a spoon of papal podi. Just quickly finish it and also share your recipe pictures with me in Instagram. Thanks for watching. And also share it with your friends and family.